Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Now I am going to conduct an agricultural studies class for the students of class 8. And dear students, our today's topic is from chapter 4, creative question number 1. Discussion. So let's try to solve it. Chapter 4, CQ number 1. The lands of Mr. Monindra Roy were flooded by seawater due to the breach of embankments in 2007 Cedar. He sought advice from agricultural officer as he did not get good yield after the repair of the embankment. The officer then advised and made Mr. Monindra Roy understand as what crops to be cultivated, what management steps should be taken, etc. Mr. Monindra now became a model farmer, abiding by the advice of agricultural officer. Okay, this is the scheme. This scheme is not very much complicated. This is easiest scheme. So number A, in which region of Bangladesh salinity is higher? Dear students, the southwestern region of Bangladesh is in the prone of higher salinity. Number B, what is salinity reduced after rainfall? Why is salinity reduced after rainfall? Explain. Southern coastal zones are flooded by saline water. The concentrations of chloric and sulfur salts of sodium, calcium and magnesium are increased due to seawater intrusion. During dry, the salt come out on the soil surface along with evaporation. During the rainy season, salt concentration remains slightly lower due to wash out of process by monsoon rainwater. Okay. Then number C, what type of crops were cultivated by Monindra? Mr. Monindra Roy was cultivating crops in coastal area. The southern part of Bangladesh is coastal region. Soil of this region is salty. Due to cedar, Mr. Monindra Roy's field was flooded by seawater. Sodium, calcium, sulfate salts accumulate his land due to the seawater intrusion. Several days after cedar, the water was drained out, but the accumulated salt remained in the field. As a result, Mr. Monindra Roy's field was salty, where he cultivated crops. His cultivated crops were not salt tolerant, so he did not get good production. Okay? Dear students, now D number. Analyze the reason of Monindra's success. Following the suggestions of the agriculture officer, Mr. Monindra Roy became successful with the help of the following 5 methods inspired of salinity in his field. Okay. Then number 1, for cultivation, he selected salt tolerant varieties. Good saline tolerant crops are turnip, cowpea, snippness, bari dhan 40, bari dhan 41, etc. You will get it from your book. Now 2. He raised the enclosures of his land and arranged irrigation and drainage. As a result, land's salinity reduces. Okay. Number 3. If the salt is kept below the root system of the crops, then crop cultivation can be done properly. And he did so. Number 4. If it gets late to cultivate rabi crops after harvesting almond, then the salt will come out on the upper soil surface. Okay? Then number 5. When seeds are sown in broadcast method, the accumulation rate of soil becomes higher and seed germination becomes lower. That's why he showed seeds in the bottom of salinity deep pits. Dear students, you have homework number 10, creative question number 1, A and B. So you will do this A and B as your homework number 10. Dear students, I hope you all get understand today's class. Practice it more and more. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.